First example, we are going to look at the document Planning 401ks and Roth IRAs. It is important to note that it is suggested you invest 15% of your annual household income. There are also a few details underneath the table in the document that are important for you to know. You can ignore the ratios that are under the company match column and just focus on the percentages that have been highlighted for you. We will complete the first and third examples together, Joe, and then Tyler and Megan, leaving the other 5 for you to complete in class. For all examples, you should figure out the last column, total annual investment, before you do anything. You will take the person's annual salary and multiply it by 0.15. Again, the reason we are using 0.15 is because it is suggested that you should be setting aside 15% of your annual household income to invest. Once you have the total annual investment column filled out, you will figure out how much will be put into the Roth IRA and the 401k. For the first example, Joe, his annual salary is $40,000. If we take $40,000 and multiply it by 0.15, we will get $6,000. The next thing you need to look at is how much the company is going to match in Joe's 401k, which is over here under the company match column. Joe will take advantage of the company match, which is 5% of his salary, and put the rest of his total annual investment into the Roth IRA. In order to figure out what the company will put into his 401k, we need to take his annual salary of $40,000 and multiply it by 0.05. When we do that, we should get $2,000. In order to find out how much he will contribute to his Roth IRA, you simply need to subtract the $6,000 and $2,000. The remainder is what you will fill in the Roth IRA column. In this case, it will be $4,000. Moving on to the third example on the chart, Tyler and Megan, it's a little bit different than Joe's. And the reason why is because the company is not matching their 401k investment. If you look at the information below the table, it states that each can fund a Roth IRA and then put the remainder into the 401k. With no match, you want to fund the Roth first. The Roth has a maximum contribution per person of $5,500. Now we have figured out that their total annual investment, this is Tyler and Megan's, will be $15,750. And again, you get that by multiplying their annual salary by 0.15. Their total maximum allowable amount for the Roth IRA will be $11,000 then. Again, citing the information below the table, which stated that each person has a maximum contribution of $5,500. In order to figure out how much they will end up putting into the 401k, subtract $15,750 and $11,000 to get that remainder, which would be $4,750 going into their 401k. So these are the first couple of examples, the first and third example completed for you. The others are very similar to each of these. That's why I chose those two. At this point, you're going to complete the rest of this on your own and then turn the paper over to the monthly retirement planning, which you will receive instructions for that in the next video. Thank you.